Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our tutorial series. Um, Today I'm going to be teaching you how to name your animals, including but you can basically name any mob really. Um, what's going to be required is an animal or a mob of any sort, an anvil, and a name tag. Note that this is doable in any version of Minecraft, Creative, Survival, Bedrock, Java. You can do it in any of them. Actually, I should probably put the anvil farther in. Um, so in order to do this, you basically take your name tag, click on the anvil as if it's a crafting bench, rename the name tag what you would like the animal to be named. So I'm gonna name one of my cows Betty. Oh, that's not how you spell Betty. There we go. Betty. All right. So then there, Betty. Betty, Betty. There's a lot of Bettys. um, you can name any mob, any animal you really want. So yeah, there is one thing, however, if you take a Vindicator, you see, like kind of mean guys. They have axes. Um, you name him Johnny. I think that's how you spell. But if you name him Johnny, it's a reference to Johnny the Axeman. It can be really useful for peaceful mob farms if you trap them in a cage and stuff. Name him that. He pulls out his axe and kills any mob. And notice how he wasn't doing that before. He only does that if he's named Johnny. So, see, I'll spawn some more cows. I think we found a 1.15 glitch. Johnny. He's pulling out his axe. I'm gonna have to report that to the developers. Yeah, he's pulling out his axe, but he ain't doing anything. Hold up. Try it with another Johnny. Yeah, see, he does it again. So yeah, so whatever you do, unless your vindicators are in a controlled environment like a passive mob farm, don't. Whatever you do, name them Johnny. Otherwise, they will kill you and all of your pets and all of your animals because they are very vicious. But this episode was a short one. Hope you enjoyed it. So until next time, Medikit over and out.